What is going on, guys? So before we get into this next vlog, I want to ask you guys for a favor. I want to do a Q&A, and obviously in order to do a Q&A, you need questions. So, if you guys don't mind, send me some questions. Text me, email me, comment, call me. Did I say call me already? I don't know. Just send me questions. I'd greatly appreciate it. As many as you guys can. I'll pick a few and then answer some questions and see how it goes. Thank you. Good morning, you guys. Monday morning. Got the day off from work. Pretty pumped about that. We had a really fun weekend. If you haven't seen it, go check out the rave vlog that I posted on yesterday. We had a blast. We had mad people over. We had like the black lights. Everyone was dressed up. Just everyone was into it, which was fun. Made it even better. So right now I'm driving to my aunt's house. My cousin Elisa. I'll introduce you guys to her in a little while, but she's up here for the weekend, so we're gonna go hang out with her today. She took a random day off from work like 3 months ago. I honestly forgot that I had the day off and today was the day. So I'm actually very grateful for that. So I'm hanging out with Lisa, then gotta go home, gotta do some studying right now. Get my car washed, because that car is disgusting. It's supposed to be silver, but it looks white, which is good. It's a wicked short week for me because I'm off on Friday too. So that's awesome. I'm going to North Conway with my girlfriend. So her name is Victoria. I'll have to introduce you guys to her next time we hang out. Hello? Anybody home? Who's here?
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
It's my cousin Elisa. Say nice to meet you, everyone.
Nice to meet you, everyone.
Where the hell's your mom?
Right now.
No, you don't.
She went to the supermarket with Nick.
Oh.
Wanna go Chipotle?
Yeah?
Let's go.
Let's go. Showing how dirty my car is. Say hi.
Not bad.
Huh?
It's not bad.
It's definitely pretty bad. Looks disgusting. There you go. Buy 10, get 3 free. They've promoted that to me probably like 35 times. Working at the car wash, yeah.
Working at the car wash.
Gotta get the triple foam on the car. Look at that soap just dumping on that lady's car. Holy. This guy that works here, not this, actually I think it is this guy over there, but he's promoted buy 5 get 1 free for like 3 years. Never gonna buy it, even though I come here all the time. Who's gonna buy 5 car washes? That's like 50 bucks.
But you get one free.
But you get 1 free, because it's really worth it.
It could be.
It could be.
If you or any of your loved ones enjoy going to the car wash, I highly recommend getting a gift card. They're great for holidays and all occasions.
And free delivery is available. Free delivery. What are they gonna do? What are they bring it to your house?
That?
Right there, free delivery available.
Oh yeah, free delivery
What are they delivering?
available.
What do they deliver?
Please select your wash package now. Would you like to have a receipt?
I'm all set.
Alright, thank you for a minute.
Yeah, no problem.
Please wait while your card is being authorized.
Hey, gotta give you guys some advice. Never do the soft touch. Never do the soft touch.
Why?
Thank you for asking. Because you can be behind a really dirty car, you know, like a Jeep that just put mud in for all you know, and could have some rocks in the car. So the soft touch, come here. Oh yeah, actually take the example. Take the example.
Okay.
See how the brush is just ripping on that guy's car?
Yeah.
Okay, come back to me. There could be rocks in that brush. Going like this, real hard, you know?
2 uvulas.
Up here.
Yeah.
So I'll give you guys a close-up of the, oh yeah, look at that. Look at that shot at least.
That's so beautiful.
Wow. You know how clean my car is about to be?
It's supposed to be so clean.
So what is this made out of?
This here is made out of ions that are purified using reverse osmosis.
Really?
Yeah.
Just clean my car. Looking good, looking good. Time to go. Oh, my car's locked. Time to go home. Gotta go do some studying. Gotta go to the gym. Catch you guys later. It's a good workout. Come follow me. Alright. You gotta do your planks. You gotta do your planks. Do some of these. Turn around.
Okay.
Do it for the vlog. Do it for the vlog. You get the mat, right? Slap it down. It's flu season, people. You gotta clean the mat. Planks. That's it. Finish up the workout with the, what do you call them, Lex?
I don't know what you're talking about.
We call them the Cobra.
What up, it's The Rock? No. They call me Swag.
What's your Instagram?
_. I totally call that. Oh. Hello. My name's Rico. Y'all looking for someone to follow. Zoom in on that. There it is.
Alright.
Go to like, follow. Black excellence.
What do you call these? What do you call these?
You know, it was $800 loafers.
$800 loafers?
Oh,
didn't see you there. Like the new Beats? Custom. By your boy.
I'm huge.
Alright guys, that is it for the vlog today. Don't forget, take things day by day. Don't stress the small things. Just enjoy life.